I know you guys would call this sacrilege, but I'm getting an automatic car wash right now. Sorry. Anyways, I'm heading over to Randy and Ivan's house. They're going to be doing some more work on his engine, so I'm going to record that slash make fun of them and not really help out very much. So that's what we're going to go do. Let's check it out.
Hey guys, so this is Randy. Today I did a bunch more work. I mean, it felt like a bunch. Didn't really feel like it because now I'm still back to pretty much where I was. Right now, I need a ring filer, so that way we can get them the right size, put on the pistons, put those in, and then I think for measuring goes, I'm pretty sure after that, then I am home free to just start slapping stuff together, and my god, I can't wait.
Just got to their house, air compressor's running, and Ivan's grinding on something. Let's check it out. What are you doing?
Cleaning up the ports.
The exhaust ports? Don't you need pistons in there before the exhaust ports do anything?
Don't we what?
Don't you need pistons first?
That's what he's working on.
So we had some issues with the
Ring gap.
ring gap, trying to make sure we're within spec. So after some closer inspection, it looks like it's probably okay. Pretty sure we're okay.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. We thought that it would start out at the minimum gap already, and then we would have to file it more, but it was already more than the minimum gap to begin with for one of the rings on pretty much the whole set. So that, combined with the confusing packaging for this kit, basically made a huge delay in figuring this out. But I think we got it figured out, and now we're just double checking how much gap there is on the rest of the rings just to make sure nothing's goofy, and then we can put them on the pistons, right? And then are we gonna try to get them on the crank and everything?
Be able to do that, I think.
Nice.
Maybe required install facing down
The supports.
inside the opening above the pin.
Right here.
Yeah, on the bottom, just like I said.
Where do you think I was putting it?
You were putting it between the fucking squiggly and this
No,
one.
it wasn't.
Oh my god, do I have to roll
Randy,
back the
I was
tapes?
right here.
Oh my god.
I was putting it here.
Okay, then you're blind as fuck because you
No,
didn't see
maybe
that
you
rail.
are.
You didn't see the other ring.
I did.
No, because you were putting it on the wrong spot.
Turn it.
Mom, Dad, quit arguing.
Should I do the opposite side piston now, or just the one right next to it?
Do the opposite side.
Well, I guess either way it doesn't matter because they're all facing the same direction.
That one goes right there. Now you're gonna do this one?
Yeah, I can.
Are these like all these rings like clocked the way they're supposed to be?
Probably not.
Or you're not doing that yet?
Not yet. That I've always
Yeah,
done
whatever.
right as you're setting it into the ring compressor.
Damn. Well, once these are in, this will be most of it. I mean, the bottom, the short
The
block.
short
right?
block will
Yeah.
be in.
That's the hardest part. It's all the stupid ass clearances and stuff as we're finding.
Dimple down.
That's
Yeah.
what I said, yeah.
Wait. The convex side or the concave side down?
Dimple down. See, like
Dimple
this
would be
one.
the concave side. See?
Well, that's not what Dan just said.
We'll just go by the dimple.
Is Dan dad?
Just go by the nipple. Just go by the
Yeah,
nipple.
nipple side? What is a dimple?
This goes down. That's a dimple.
Okay. But this could also be a dimple.
I think you're overthinking it just a little bit.
Well, obviously it makes a difference if they say which side goes where.
Is this metal or is this an alloy? I don't know. And what are we're disconnecting the actual rod,
We're splitting our connecting rods again,
and then we're gonna pop
and
them
then
on.
put them on.
Okay. So we need to probably make sure this is nice and clean and lube it up.
Yep, that's what he's doing right now.
Get the engine KY ready, or the Astroglide. Yeah.
Ready?
All right, it's all oiled up.
All oiled up.
Compress the rings.
Okay.
Well, the piston's not even spun right.
Got the rings where they're supposed to be.
Yep. Hammer.
Something that's not metal.
Ready?
Yes. Want me to clamp it more?
Yeah. Nope.
Like a glove.
Uh-huh.
Well, it was good for a second.
Until it got to the part where it's supposed to get to.
Yeah.
That's why you buy a sleeve. Makes it so much freaking easier.
There we go.
Pretty good. I think that's up against it.
Wow, look at that. Nice. Okay, so we got some of the pistons in. How many did we get in? 4 so far? Or 5? We got 1, 2. Yeah, no, we got 5. Yeah. So we need 3 more in there. Get in there. Basically put a connecting rod on one of these backwards because they're not like a symmetrical design. So they're fixing that. And one of us, probably me, put one of the oil ring on upside down. It has a dimple to keep it from moving and all that stuff, and I didn't do that, so it's moving and not wanting to go into the cylinder. So Ivan's fixing that, and then hopefully we can get this wrapped up. All right, woo! Excellent. Excellent. All right. Woo!
All right.
All right, we got all the pistons in. So tomorrow we'll take them back out because we realized something else. Good.
Rod cap side clearance.
Yeah. All right. Well, that's pretty much the bottom end. And then what's next? The cam? Throw on the.
I think so.
Throw on the oil. We gotta do the oil pan, or wait till the end for that.
The front covers, chain, chain,
All
side
the
covers.
valve train related.
Start on the valve train.
Oh my god, so exciting. I did some of that earlier. I recorded some of that.
Take a well-deserved break.
Does it actually say that?
Yeah, take a well-deserved break. Be sure to cover your engine while you to prevent contamination.
Oh my god. That's awesome.
Now install camshaft.
Alright, well, we'll be back for the next part. Faster, louder!